Yeah, we are here, and this is what you should expect when you come to Pelverata Falls track. And this is our start of the journey. We're at the base of Pelverata Falls. Let's go Biplov. ঠিক নেই না আছে তো ওখানে তাই নাকি shit I didn't see that
টেন্টে আমাদের শুধু একটা কম্বল দিয়েছিল আমরা ভুল করেছি আমরা আরো কম্বল চাইনি আমরা ভেবেছি আর দেওয়ার চাইলে
টেন্টে থেকে দিস তোরা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা কেন জলটা পয়সা থাকে sign here welcome to Snug Tiers nature recreation area but it still says Pelverata Falls track 3 hours return what the hell so guys I just asked someone how long it is how far it is. He said half an hour to go. Yeah, we are continuing our journey. It's a good workout actually. Oh. It's kind of a like a to Pelverata Falls. It's finished. Oh, I wish this thing was here all the way to Pelverata Falls. Minutes away from Pelverata Falls. Look at this big tree on the way. All the way up there. Look at this. It's steep, it's downhill, it's rocky. There's a very high chance of slipping, so please be careful. This side is totally downhill. It's totally like down slope actually, and you have this little bit route here just to go through. Looks like it's gonna get harder and harder. Oh, rock. Be careful, man. This is our way. Pelverata Falls. It's amazing. Adventurous. Hey, পুরো এদিকে. Look at these guys. Hey, Vicky. Well, I didn't expect this. Look at these guys. Just to give you guys some insight. Look at the track. Freaking. The view is amazing. खूब सादी उड़ी Oh, amazing. This is like going really downhill. So that's it. If you're thinking the journey has ended here, it hasn't. And still there are a lot to say. We kind of went underneath the falls, like exactly underneath the falls. You guys can see Saab there. We were over there, standing there. There is a track. You can like just follow through and then you can come here. জুতো ভিজে যাবে
পিছলা আছে কিন্তু ঠিক আছে গাছপালা ধরে থাকো গাছপালা এই জুতো যেখানে শ্যাওলা নেই সেখানে পা দাও ও জুতো ভিজে গেছে
আমারও. So the water is coming down here like totally. Where's the Pelverata Falls? Oh yeah. It's beautiful. Water is coming down here. So guys, yeah, we started kind of climbing from here and we had to be very careful, so I couldn't vlog as while I was climbing. I needed to use both of my hands and I didn't have a GoPro or something, advanced camera to vlog it. But there are some cool pictures that I have taken while climbing the rocks, and we had to kind of map it out, kind of need to think it out how to go up there, and it was all rock climbing and we had to be very, very careful. And again, I'm saying I do not recommend this, and I don't promote this as well. We're at the base of Pelverata Falls. Look at this water coming down. So beautiful from here. Oh. So beautiful. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.